Jesus.
Oh, it's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, bro.
I'll see you later, brother.
Later, bro. Looking good. I know. Look who it is. Oh.
600-mile service, literally on Wednesday. He's still
Nice.
the limiter.
Nice.
How's it been, bro? Everything good with the bike?
So far, yeah, just little things here and there, but for the most part, I like that though. Nice meeting you, bro. You out? Ride safe. The SP though. Oh, it's the guy we met at the Ducati dealership. What's up, man? Yeah.
I can finally see this in person.
Yeah. There's 2 of them. Well, technically 3. There's one more there.
I want to see yours.
I almost got them mixed up.
Oh.
I always can tell from the seat. I was like, hold on. I know. 15. 2015.
2015?
Yeah. That's the 16. It's like different paint.
This one looks newer than that one.
Yeah.
I should have put my naked bike next to all your guys.
Which one?
I have the ZH2.
Bring it over. All the superchargers.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, but have you done anything to it?
Exhaust tune, air filter, basic stuff. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a chill meet. Nice meeting all of you guys. Thank you for everyone that showed up. It means a lot. Hopefully I'll host another better version of it sometime soon.
Yeah, appreciate you having us out.
Nice meeting you, man. Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, absolutely. Keep up the good work.
Sounds. I will try. Thank you, man.